In this video, I will teach you how to play Real Racing 3 multiplayer with friends. Tap the settings icon inside the Real Racing 3 app. Tap the settings icon again once inside the menu. Link your Facebook or Google Play account. For the easiest experience, link your Facebook account. Tap continue and allow access to your name and profile picture only. Now, head over to the left-sided menu in the game. Tap the online option to access multiplayer features. Now, tap on Invite Friends. If you have linked your account correctly, your Facebook or Google friends who also play Real Racing 3 will appear here. Select up to 7 friends and send out the invites. Once your friends accept and are connected, tap Race Now to begin. You will also have access to Friends Leaderboard to track your races and stats together. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to play Real Racing 3 multiplayer mode with friends. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.